Hi everyone, it's Ashley here from Let's Talk Porsche. Today's video is going to be all about purchasing a tracker for your Porsche. So if you are a lucky owner of a Macan or a 718 and you want to set up your vehicle tracking system, this is done through Vodafone Car Connect. So to do this, you're going to log into your My Porsche account to start with, as I've done here. You're going to go to your vehicles and find your Macan. From here, I'm going to scroll down past the map, down to Connect Services for you. So if I then click on to viewing the Connect store, it's going to show me all available options. One of the available options here is Car Connect Services. Now this is provided by Vodafone, so when I click on to Discover Now, it's going to ask me to continue through to Vodafone's own website. Now, if you're a new customer and you've not used Vodafone Automotive or Porsche Car Connect, what you're going to do is you're going to click on to Register, and it's going to ask you a few basic details like your email address, for example, which you'll pop in twice. It's going to ask you to create a password and enter in a mobile number as well. You're then going to read and accept the terms and conditions of use and confirm you're not a robot as well by finding all the pictures with cars. Seems to be today. Amazing. Once you've done the reCAPTCHA, you then just click on to Next. So now it's going to bring up the privacy statement for the use of the website. So you're going to make sure to read through all 3 pages of that. You can also click on to download, which is just here to the right. But for now, I'm just going to click accept. It's going to ask you to validate your email address. So I'm just going to log on to my emails now and just click validate. There we go. Confirm my email address. Wonderful. It's now also going to ask me to validate my phone number. So it's going to send a text message now through to my phone. Perfect. And it's given me a 4-digit code, which I'm just going to type in now. Fantastic. It's going to ask me to enter in vehicle data. So you can choose a vehicle name. I'm just leaving it as my Porsche for now, but you can name it whatever you fancy. Country of registration, which for myself is going to be United Kingdom. And again, you can pop in your license plate there, your registration number, but that is optional. So if you're doing this prior to picking up your vehicle and you've not chosen your registration number, that's absolutely fine. Or if you've not chosen your private plate, for example, just going to click on to Next. So again, just like when we did with my Porsche, I'm just going to now create my account by entering my personal details. So for myself being Miss, I'm going to put my title as Ms. I'm then going to pop in my name, my address, postcode, and country again. Now, instead of United Kingdom, it's now Great Britain. So make sure that doesn't catch you out. And again, I can see I've already got my mobile number saved, but you can add in an extra 2 contact numbers. These are backups. So in case you get an alert, it's going to send those through to those contact details there. There we go. Then we just need to choose our language. So I've chose English there for myself, and I'm going to click on to Next. So this is about the driver. So with myself, I am the main user of the vehicle, but if you were setting this up for someone else, you would click on to I am not. And I'm now going to create security questions. So I'm going to choose 2. They could be things like mother's maiden name, and I'm going to pop those in there. And I can also put in, for example, favorite Porsche, which of course is going to be this one, right? And then click on to Next. So this is now showing us a summary of all of those details. I'm now going to click on to Next and accept all of the terms and conditions, obviously after reading through all of them. And again, you do have the option of downloading these. Amazing. So this is now showing us our homepage on the Vodafone Car Connect page for you. Now, you do have an option of having multiple cars in. So as you can see, I've got my Porsche, which is this one here at the top. But if you had a couple of them, they'd all be lined up here for you. It's also going to give you an installation code. Now, basically what this is about pairing up your car to your account. Now, we do recommend, even if you're not purchasing a tracker, to link up your Vodafone account. Once you've had your Macan paired up with one of our wonderful Porsche technicians, what you're going to do is you're going to log back onto your Vodafone Car Connect account, and you're going to scroll down past all the driver information down to your services. Now, if you just hover over the little pencil and click on to manage, this is going to bring up all of your different services for you. Now, there are remote services, safety services, and security. Security is the one that you need for your tracker. Now, as you can see, we've purchased one just here for you. But if you hadn't, all you would do is you'd click on to purchase the security package. You'd enter in your card details as we've done before, and then it's going to look a little bit like this. So now your My Porsche account is all set up, your tracker is purchased, and all that's left to do is watch some more tech tips on our Let's Talk Porsche YouTube channel.